be a Christmas.
Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever.
Hey guys, going to Disneyland today and it's freezing. We're gonna get there around 8, but it's just so cold. And I realized because it's at Disney Sea, it's gonna be cold at night. We finally got in line.
Yeah.
We both got matching duffel headbands.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's Mount Fuji, and that's Grand Canyon. There's the Great Wall of China. This place is very multicultural. Good kid.
Can you not? We're in the mountain. Logan got us some churros while we're waiting in line. Whoa! Didn't even explain what it is. What is it? Each churro has like a different flavor. Did you see what flavor?
No. It tastes like, I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like. It's like
A
fish.
pizza.
It's like a fish cake.
It's like pizza.
We're finally at the finish front line.
Josh, maybe we could take that back, make it what it is. I wanna be with you, we just get.
How was journey to Central?
It was great. It's very immersive.
Very immersive.
Yeah, there was a lot of screaming from people in front and next to me.
Road.
Crazy for trying, crazy for you.
And then Logan got a cake.
Crazy for trying, crazy.
Alright, team. We're going to the Tower of Terror. Julie is a little bit ill.
Ill.
She's caught a cold, I believe, or not, a flu. She was like, my head hurts, everything around my body hurts, I have a headache. Okay guys, we are going to the Tower of Terror.
I already said that we're going.
Oh, okay.
We went to the Tower of Terror.
It was so fun.
Got a Mickey chicken bun. Oh, the ear's filled as well. Yummy? Is it? Can I have the other ear? Let's go. Guys, we are so cold. Well, I am so cold. Logan gave me his puffer and he's like surviving. I don't know how. So I'm like puffed up.
She's killing me, man.
Hello. My voice is gone. Oh my god, my voice is actually gone. Can you talk?
What's up, gang? So basically, we didn't give you guys the update what happened yesterday. So we waited like 2.5 hours for the fireworks.
Oh yeah, the fireworks got cancelled.
Yeah, we waited 2.5 hours for
I
fireworks.
was
They
like
got
literally
cancelled.
sleeping.
She
like,
was
dead.
so sick.
I was
She had a
like
headache.
sleeping in
She
the
was
restaurant.
coughing. She was sleeping.
For it to be cancelled 3 minutes before.
And it was just cancelled. So yeah. And we were pretty unhappy with that, so we went home. She's
Why did it get cancelled? Because of the weather. We literally went on the coldest and windiest day.
Yeah, it was very windy.
Anyways, now Nina's here.
And Nina's here. She's here.
I look like a... You look like an Oji-san. Yeah.
She looks like Ola from Frozen.
Ola?
Yeah. Big round face.
Excuse me.
Okay, we're going to Harajuku for some animal cafes and some shopping. But
Nina's gonna go play games.
yeah, at Shinobababa, whatever it's called, at the gaming cafe. But we might meet up for dinner or something, but we'll catch up later. Bye. This looks so sad. I wanna hold it.
Hello. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So ready to leave. Oh, look
He's scratching my bum.
Look at him, look at him. He wants to get out. It's so funny. She, look at, she's cute. Oh my god, look. Hello. Hello.
Looks like a mouse. Hi, ferret.
Hello.
This one's just being annoying. This one's just chilling though.
Is Logan posing with his makeup? This one loves my glove. Is it my glove?
That's the pocket there.
What are you doing, kiddo? What are you doing?
This one's fucked.
You're so funny. You're so funny. Keeps climbing up and then falling. Look, ready? Wait, why aren't you falling? Fall.
One's chilled out.
This guy doesn't want to take a picture with me.
Put him back.
Glove? I think she likes my glove. Hey, are you stealing it? Are you stealing it? She does. She likes my glove. No, it's mine. Got one of the meerkats, but she took the one that was sleeping. So it's like asleep. Very different from the ferrets. Oh my god, look at them.
You got a meerkat now?
Yeah.
Meerkat. You're sleepy. Unlike the ferrets.
Yeah. I think he likes the headphones.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, she's so soft.
Oh my gosh, yes she is.
Dude, the monkey's going crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is. You're crazy.
I'd love to be that.
You can't stream. She hates you, stop.
Eat it.
No. Look at you. You're yapping.
There's no more buddy, I'm sorry.
I got no more for you. Oh,
Oh. Ferret, where are you going?
it's so tickly. It's so tickly. He got up and then he fell back down. Logan's like calm, and mine is just. Hey. All over the place, aren't you? Oh. Look, they're fighting. Why are they provoking each other? Ooh.
Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We got one.
Finally, after like 20 minutes of watching them play.
Yeah. So sad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good stop. I caught that as well. We got the consomme flavor, which I don't know what it is. Yum?
There's a barbecue.
That looks really nice.
I know what butter would taste like. It's so good. I love this.
Crispy.
My.
We got the 42 centimeter one. It was the second longest one.
Not fresh.
Guys, I came back to the same burger place I went to last year because like I could not stop thinking about it. I've got the Goku burger. That's massive, I think.
Why does that mean?
This is steaming. Is that just for the camera? Oh, it's so heavy. I had this one.
Maybe it's crazy I do.
Turned black.
Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I'll have you. If we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All your friends wanna hear about us.
I want to
So let's roll
showcase
with it.
Nina's fashion.
The socks really hit.
Yeah, so yeah, this is a style. It's
Oh
it's
my
called the
gosh,
half
you need to
half
clean your
back.
shoes, bro. They're so black and dirty.
Yeah, and I didn't wear this from mud.
Are you serious? What is up, gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
How many times are you saying welcome back?
Well, welcome back.
What is up, guys?
What is up, guys?
We are currently lining up for brunch at a tarekatsu.
Today is our last official day in Tokyo, and we decided to come to Shibuya because we've only been here for a day. And Logan
Yeah.
was craving some tonkatsu, so we are here.
I love pork. When my mum cooked pork, so nice.
Yeah.
It's so good. I hope it's as good as they make it on YouTube.
I'm actually so puffy today, man.
You puffy every day. I don't know what you're on about.
No, it's like dry.
Anyways,
I'm
we
You
are
do
also
skin
going
fat?
to
You do skin
Kengo's
fat?
coming over later
Put on the
today,
cream.
and then we're
Just
going
cream?
to teamLabs.
You only put.
Well, too
That
much
is the
skincare
plan
is
for the
too
day.
much time.
Hey guys, we just finished our pork katsu and it was so good.
It was. I'm like really full.
It was like so nice and tender, and the sauce they used was like
Oh, honestly.
what?
Oh my god. It looks so scary.
Oh my gosh, I'm turning yellow.
Okay, what are you doing? You're not even getting anymore. Wait. Okay, we got it. Okay, wait, should we across Okay, guys, update, right?
Let's
So
film
we booked teamLabs for 7:30, right? And then Kengo's coming from Choshi to here, but he took 20 minutes to find a station, and now we're nearly late. So we're waiting for him right now.
When he
Or I
comes
should
up.
film him coming
Yeah,
up.
yeah, we should.
And then we have to sprint there because it's what our entry time was 7:30 to 8. It is now 7:43.
Yeah.
So we have to sprint there. The man.
We're jogging to teamLabs
We have to switch right
because of someone. Because of someone. Some dumb brother.
How far is it?
Yes, finally. Why are you holding onto the railing?
What is I for?
Wow! Look at this boomer, bro. Why is he looking so close to the phone? Why are you so close to your phone?
Can't see it.
Whoa!
Guys, come in, look in. Everyone. Come. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's yeah, I get it. Oh, see, they don't like you. They just don't like you, kangaroo.
Wait, where did it actually go?
See, it's there. Still a couple more.
What happens when you kill the fish?
You can't kill them. Don't be so mean.
No, watch. Look, watch.
I ran away from me.
That one.
That one's a normal.
Wait, I didn't even know that. Wait. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, it did. That one.
You just crawl, man. Ew, your feet touch my camera.
The feet.
Disgusting.
Bro.
Oh, Nina, no, wrong way, go back. Push it up.
How come yours looks so much more better?
Boing, 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 boing,
Normal.
Is it normal? Big? Large, really small? Medium? Medium? And large.
Alright.
5. Is this 5?
Do more.
So red.
Come here with me.
What is this sudden bite push-up competition?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
God, this is so cringe, guys.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
We got our side dishes and they're very fancy.
Is that fried?
We all got it.
It's like
Anyways, we got a mixed sashimi platter. We got something and we got a salad. It looks so fancy. They like platter it. They like the presentation's so nice. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot.